It's me,
Let's
Super
do
G.
this!
We are making a video of a rocket.
Okay, do I
being
really have to
launched.
record a video when I am?
Yeah, we do.
Hello.
I am the one.
Okay, move. Wait, step over it. Step over
Wait,
it.
no, I am. Step on the one. Okay,
Do it. Honestly, do it.
No.
Do it.
No.
it's gonna hurt you, like super bad.
I
Step over it. Step over it.
That was lame.
That was lame.
Stop. Give me the camera. Give me the camera.
I'm jumping on it.
Okay. Stop.
Stop.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
Me and Super G.
You gotta smash it as hard as you can.
Yeah.
Load the rocket.
Can I?
Me first.
Okay, fine.
Load the rocket.
Ladies
first.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Whee!
Whee! That was pretty lame.
You gotta go like this.
That was pretty lame, though. You gotta agree, right? Get him back out.
I give it to you on my phone.
I'll set it up.
Okay.
Give me my phone. Sorry.
Oh,
Stop it as hard as you can. Ready, Shadow K? 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Wait.
Lift off.
Ow!
Where'd it go? No, where'd it go? Oh, okay. Now it is my turn. It's my turn. Okay.
Give me the phone.
Sorry. Your phone's right here.
Wait. Oh.
I'm not.
It's all blurry.
Ready?
It's all blurry.
I am the one.
Never mind.
I am the one
Do it.
You guys ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, that would have hurt like so bad.
I didn't hit it very hard.
Okay, my turn.
Whistle.
Okay, we're gonna do the stages of challenges. So one of you has to stand over
No, we
it.
have to do the turn after that challenge.
Yeah.
Nah.
Oh my god.
Wait, mine's not even recording. Wait, what's that?
I am
Woohoo!
the one UK4. Don't need a gun to get respect. I mean,
Down for the count. 1. Oopsie.
My video.
I am the one that you need to
Okay, can you stop recording and then you can make your turn?
No.
Jericho. Make a different video.
Now
Say
you
goodbye.
know.
Okay. So, that will be the end of this video for rocket launching. So, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.